Yes, time for Terraria. Where's my audio? Come on. There we go. Okay. Ouch. So wandering eye. So I'm gonna be fighting the mechanical eye. Not the mechanical eye. The destroyer. So I fought him once because he spawned in like in the middle of the night. Like, finally it works. That was an easy 4 gold coins. It's really not that many. Am I even going the right goddamn way? No. Okay, let's go. Oh, was that a pumpkin? They added Halloween stuff. Yay. I'm gonna go check out the trades and see if there's Halloween crap. Nimbus, or whatever. Hi, I found him underground, now he moved in. Hi. Yeah. I guess. Okay. I think I found him underground also. Yeah, I think. Oh my god, I forgot all about this. So I bought the bell, the harp, and something else, like some book, enchanting book. I have no idea how to use it though. Why is I was getting attacked? Yeah, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna go here. Have my spell tone on me? Yeah. Give me that. Yeah, I don't really need that. Okay, I think that's good. I'm gonna go make like 13 gold coins in it just in a couple seconds. Hold on. Come on. Okay, so we got Crimtane. We got 67 bars. That's just over. Wow. Don't forget we got cobalt to sell because I just don't need it. Whoa, it's a lot of cobalt. Wonder how much that'll sell for. The mithril, I don't know. How good's the mithril? Mithril's pretty good. Wow. What is this made out of? Hollowed bar. I don't want it. That's how I got my helmet. I killed the destroyer. But whatever. Time to go make money. So how much can I get for whoa. Wow. Okay, I don't need them. Okay, where are those bars? They sell so much more than the cobalt. What? I'm gonna keep the cobalt just because it's from hard mode, I guess. Is Crimtane from hard mode? No, I remember that. Time to get another chest. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Don't need, actually need, I want, just in case. Yeah, sure. That's all I need. So let's see. The Destroyer was basically a harder version of the whatever it's called. I had to drink that by mistake. Maybe I'll grab some B-nades, just cause. Where do I put that spawner? Spawner. Oh, this is impossible. Mechanical alarm. It's time. Ooh, Pinky! Thanks for the gold coin. Raven. Raven. Zombie. Oh, goodie bag. I love these. They're just pretty fun. Give me more goodies. Sure, how much of a chance is it to drop? Oh, this is not that easy. Okay, so whenever you kill a part of them, you get a probe. Well, a probe spawns. And it shoots the guys. Okay. Let's start doing like no damage. I saw a gold coin. Ooh, what was that? I think I just saw something cool. Whoa. Yeah, it did. Okay. Where I exterminate? Yeah, that's what guys spawned in and I got completely obliterated the twins. How do you make the twins again? Okay, I'm gonna try this twins now, because let's face it, I obliterated them. So my tactic is just go for one eye. Then once one eye is dead, then you're good. These are greater and these are healing. I'll use greater then. I'm gonna use this eye first. No, this one, because it's much easier to hit for me for some reason. I'm gonna attack. Die weird guy. Spartanism. Because once you kill one eye, once you get it one eye to half health, one has laser and one spits green crap, so pretty sure the guy, the red one, he doesn't spew out the green crap. Pretty sure it's the other one. Okay, you need to kill the guy who shoots out the green crap right now. Ouch, 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 ouch. Youch, youch. He just keeps shooting it. Is there any... Oh no, I'm messing up. I'm messing up. No! Please don't despawn. Despawn. Yeah, they despawned. Fudge. Guess they're still too hard. They're like the hardest boss. They are so hard. Oh my god, die possessed armor. Damn, they're even wearing costumes. Bam, I need to find my money. Where's my gold? My precious gold. Did something drop armor? Where's the armor? Come on. Oh, that sucks. 21 coins for... Oh, here. 22 gold coins fell off me. If I didn't get that, I'd probably cry. Not on camera. Did I just pass my damn house? Nope, we're on the way there. So last thing I'm gonna do in this episode is open up the pack. So, give me something rare and good. What did I get? Oh yeah, it gives you costumes. I'm a cat. Meow. I need more. I'm a greedy hunter, I guess. We can go hunting for like 5 minutes. When it turns a mummy, didn't drop anything good, or really anything at all. Come on, give me some mobs. Give me anything that I can drop. Give me the treats back. Please drop one. Unicorn horn. Okay, bye. A light mummy. Okay. Look at this, some mirror mash. We're in Harlow. It's getting boring.